greytHR's employee onboarding system makes onboarding of your new employees seamless, with minimum HR intervention. On the admin side, greytHR Onboard offers a simple workflow for reviewing, validating, and approving data entered by employees. The employee onboarding process includes: set up onboarding policy as per the requirement, initiate onboarding process for a newly added employee, initiate the onboarding process for an existing employee, remind employees to submit the onboarding details. Then finally, review the employee onboarding submissions. From your greytHR admin login, navigate to the Actions tab and search for Employee Onboarding to get started. From the search results, click on Employee Onboarding. Click on Employee Onboarding Policy. Click on Employee Information Settings. On this wizard, select the fields to be displayed for the onboarding process for the employees to fill. These fields also can be made mandatory. Once done, save the changes. Please note, after changing the policy, you must reinitiate the employee onboarding to make the changes effective in the employee portal. There are two ways to initiate an employee onboarding process: while adding a new employee, or reinitiate onboarding for existing employees. So now let's see how to initiate an onboarding while adding a new employee. Navigate to the employee directory page under the employee main section. Click on Add Employee and fill in the basic details. Once done, save the changes. Automatically, the onboarding will be initiated for the same employee, and an email will be triggered to the employee's registered email ID. Once the onboarding details are submitted by the employee, the admin can navigate to Workflow, Review, Employee Onboarding page and take action. Additionally, to remind an employee to submit onboarding, click on Remind, and to withdraw an open application, click on Withdraw. You can always reinitiate onboarding for an existing employee by navigating to the Employee Onboarding page from the Actions tab and search for Employee Onboarding to get started. From the search results, click on Employee Onboarding. On this page, you will find a list of employees for whom the self-onboarding is currently not initiated. Select Not Initiate or Closed from the Status drop-down. Check the employee and click on the Initiate Onboarding and confirm. The latest policy will apply to this employee, which will be displayed in the employees portal. With that, we come to an end. Thank you for watching the greytHR How to video series.